tough. Oh my god. What the? Wow. Oh, we better move. Whew. This is tough. I previously just saw a German, and just as I was about to shoot him, he shot me. So, once again up this stream bed. And try and get back to that church. Oh, they've been taken out. That means it's tough. There. I think we can throw a grenade. Might as well throw them both. He was just up here. There he is. Oh!